Welcome to another episode of Zoe embarrassing herself for 4 hours straight. Chocolate oats is a genius idea. When do you think you'll become a billionaire? Wish you great health and happiness. What am I saying to people?
Let me just cry a little.
It's like confessing your love to 100 people in one day.
Oh my gosh.
Hi. Oh, this table is wobbly. It's a fine Sunday that I decided to make some new friends. Oh god, that already sounds so awkward. So it's been a little while since I've been doing YouTube, and I realized that being the awkward and introverted person that I am, I haven't made that many friends who are also doing YouTube and content creation. And I know that's totally on me, but on a fine Sunday like this, I decided that why don't I DM 100 YouTubers? Yeah, if you know anything about me, you know that I am dead scared about being rejected for anything. And this is gonna hurt a little. C'est la vie. I brought my laptop in front of me because you guys are gonna judge me so hard for this. I actually made an Excel spreadsheet of all the people I am going to DM. That way, I don't miss, okay? I got my spreadsheet pulled up, got my phone up. So excited to get rejected. First off, best dressed. Love her. It's funny because I actually DM'd her once before when I replied to her story. Hi Ashley, your style is everything, from a fan who also graduated UCLA in 2019.
She hates it. Rewrite.
Hi Ashley, your hair is honestly iconic. By the way, I'm an OG fan who also graduated UCLA in 2019. Heart. Am I gonna send that? That's so cringe. Sent? Emma Chamberlain. Hi Emma. Love your new editing style. Sent. Done. Ooh, Conan Gray. Huge fan of your music, also a Bruin. Next on the list, Michelle Choi. Michelle, I've been watching your vlogs since 3 years ago. Just wanted to say that they are so therapeutic and inspire me to live well when living by myself. Like, congrats on 1 million. You definitely earned it. Charlie D'Amelio. Will you get pink hair again? Dixie D'Amelio. Your envy is pretty fire. Kelly Stamps. Queen Stamps. I love your energy and attitude. Exclamation marks. Please bless LA by coming back to visit someday. What am I doing? People are gonna be like, who the hell is Actually, you know, okay, I need to stop overthinking. Whatever. People can judge me, they can
leave me on red, or they can just not read my messages at all.
James Charles. Hi sister, are you going to be dropping a new palette? Matt Davila. Hi Matt, you're a true inspirational filmmaker. I don't think I've rewatched anyone else's videos as much as yours. Thanks for the great content. Simone, you are one of my favorite YouTubers all time. Keep doing you, and thanks for all the serotonin from clownery and superb content. Sparkle sent. What if no one replies to me? I mean, I kind of saw that coming, but it's okay, Zoe. Rejection is part of life, and the only way to face this fear is to be rejected more. Olivia Dondrea. Olivia, thank you for being an inspiration. Hope you take the time you need for yourself, and I'm excited for more of your glow up diaries. Zoe, not Zoe. Oh my gosh. Wait, I mentioned Zoe in my story before, and she replied. Hi Zoe. I'm also Zoe. This is why I can't make new friends. Why am I so freaking awkward? And I'm a huge fan of yours since your first ever video. Just wanted to pop in and let you know that your vlogs and whole aesthetic just make me so happy. Her vlogs are so aesthetic, like what the heck? Tell me that I'm not just like high-key fangirling over everyone I message. Okay, I need to head out to brunch and then I'll come back and DM some more people.
One eternity later.
Hello, I am back. I got some soy milk to keep myself hydrated when I DM my future YouTube friends. Jen, I've been watching your videos since the Close Encounters era. Super excited for you about your baby boy. Wish you great health and happiness. I feel like I'm writing holiday wishes to everyone, which is apparently the only thing I know how to write. Ooh, Linda's son. Linda, I freaking love binge watching your videos. Your editing and food recipes are everything. Say true. Hi Sarah. I've been watching your videos for ages and I just wanted to pop in and say that I freaking love your attitude and sass. Excited for more product lunches and seeing your new apartment come together. Sent. The number of times I need to proofread a message before I send it to people is insane. Ellen. Hi Ellen. Your dancing is goals. Can't believe I went to one of your workshops back in UCLA. Avery. Are you going to bleach your eyebrows again? Because you pulled them off so well. Kennedy, you need to star in a Disney princess movie, period. Ooh, Pamela Reif, or Rife, apologies. Thank you for your lower abs workouts. Natasha, thank you for existing. You're an inspiration. Ooh, Chloe Tin. Hi Chloe, you are so cute and wholesome. Hope you are doing well. 美惠 ，Hello 美惠，超爱你的视频，关注你这么多年，见证你的成长，也通过你的努力自己做了许多改变。恭喜你创建了自己的品牌 ，Such goals。希望我们都能在做自己喜欢的事中找到方向。I feel like I'll be blocked by all my favorite influencers. Nuria, love your style and your vlogs. 一起加油. Guys, I'm running out of things to say. Graham Stephan, when do you think you'll become a billionaire? Ooh, Casey Neistat. Casey, do you miss New York? Ouyang Nana, your short hair looks great. Romy, chocolate oats is a genius idea. Thank you. Carly, love your mini pancake recipe. Liza Koshi, please revisit the dollar store sometime. Lana Blakely. Lana, your videos are so soothing and calm. Thank you for sharing all the thought-provoking content. This is harder than I thought. This is like physically tiring. This is one of the days I wish I could drink coffee because, man, I'm tired. Oops, Emma, 超爱你的频道，作为一个博主，你真的是我的榜样。希望有朝一日我也可以成为像你一样酷的辣妈。Pony, what is your secret to never age? Hillary. Girl, your skin is perfection. How? Seriously, I want to know. Also, love your aesthetic and videos. Lucia, you are such a talented queen. How? I also love watching your vlogs. Man, this is so tiring. It's like confessing your love to 100 people in one day. Kylie Jenner, what are you gonna be for Halloween? Ooh, Hailey Bieber. Hailey, I saw you in person once at a hockey game and you looked even better than the photos. Wait, I'm surprised that Instagram didn't block me yet because I've been DMing a lot of people and isn't it supposed to block me? I love your vlogs and you're seriously so cute. By the way, pink hair looks so good on you. David Dobrik. Do you miss Liza at all? Haley fam. So excited for your wedding. You're gonna be a gorgeous bride. Ryan Tran. Your vlogs with Haley make me so happy. Jazzy. I love your authenticity, especially in your girl talk videos. Also a huge fan of your aesthetics and styling. Keep doing you. I still got like 40 more to go. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Ha! PewDiePie. Oh, do you like pie? Generation DIY. I aspire to be as creative as you someday. Casper Lee. Couple goals. Haley Sani, I love your energy. You're such an angelic person. Jeffrey Star. Goals. Lindsay-Ann. I replied to Lindsay-Ann's story saying, oh my god, this is gonna sound so weird because you don't know me, but I love your style and personality and would love to hang with you. Okay, that's me being weird. What am I gonna write after that? Love how you can pull off so many different aesthetics. Annie Lon. You're such a sweet girl and I love watching your vlogs. Seriously wish I had the guts to do YouTube at such an early age, but girl, you are thriving. Ali Abdul. Big fan of your videos. Wondering what was your thought process of making the career shift to YouTube? Shelby Church. Hi Shelby, just wanted to say that you're one of the most versatile creators I follow and I really look up to you for that. Have a nice day. Ethan Dolan. Do you miss Emma? Grayson Dolan. Do you miss his sister squad? Cause I sure do. Nate O'Brien. What do you think is the purpose of life? What am I saying to people? Catherine Manning. I've been following you since the content bug days. It's amazing to have witnessed your growth and to grow with you. Thanks for being an inspiration. Lily Sabri. Love your workouts and your energy. You are such goals. I'm so tired. I need to eat something because my brain is very dead and no one talked to me back yet, so. My fingers are literally hurting from typing. Look at my freaking inbox. I'm kind of sad right now because it's been like a good solid hour and no one has replied to my DM yet.
Later.
So it's literally been a month. And if anyone really wanted to reply to my DM, they would have by now, I think.
You had your chance.
The results are actually kind of shocking to me. I was fully on expecting no one replying to my DMs. But turns out, guys, Simone just responded to my DM. Oh my gosh. First and foremost, we have our queen Simone.
She said, oh my god, hi queen, how are you? By the way, I might reply really late because I'm trying to only use IG a few times a week. Totally understandable.
We actually began like talking quite a bit and damn, she is even cooler behind the screens and I adore her for her authenticity and for her creativeness.
Oh my gosh, quick update you guys.
And I think the second person who responded to me was Matt Davella.
He was so nice. He said, thanks so much, Zoe.
He is, no jokes, one of my favorite filmmakers on YouTube, period.
I'm okay, really.
I think the third person who replied was Shelby Church. She was also super kind and she said thanks so much. Ooh, and then Zoe Not Zoe replied to me.
Literally my favorite Zoe on YouTube. She said, thank you so much. I actually follow one of your arm workouts. What?
This is a girl who got me really interested into doing fitness challenges.
Like, let me just cry a little. Oh my gosh.
And she's super sweet and cute and easy to talk to. And then Lindsay replied to me.
Oh my god, you're so sweet. Thank you. And yes, I would love to hang out someday.
So you know what guys, if you've been ignored by someone through DM once, don't feel too hurt because they might still reply to you someday.
I'm just trying to give an update, like.
And last but not least, I got a response from Annie Lon. She said, "Oh, you are so sweet. I've seen some of your videos. They're so cute and well crafted. When I'm back in the LA area, let me know if you'd be down to give me a UCLA tour. I'm interested in the school." Obviously, I got you, girl. And that's it. That's the end of the DM journey. So I got a total of 6 replies, which is not too bad in my opinion because I thought we got a shot of 0%. Reaching out to a lot of people I admire is definitely something way outside of my comfort zone, but after doing it, it actually feels really great.
Especially when someone replies.
Even if they don't reply, I just like feel proud of myself for, you know, taking that initiative to do something. It's just accepting the fact that we all get rejected, and I'm just currently in the process of learning the art to be better at taking rejections and, more importantly, not let them scare me away from things I actually want to do. Comment below what other rejection videos or fear challenge videos you want to see from me, and I will see your lovely faces next week. Bye.
This is the end.